Now with Carnival fever in the air, the dynamic duo of Fan and Bunji have something up their sleeves. Sanjay found out what it is.
When the girl can dance, when the people don't know soca music.
What is gonna make Rebellion intense?
Okay, so here's what we did with Rebellion. Rebellion has pretty mass section. So we have 7 or so costumes, and that has frontline, backline, and male. The prices are gonna come out very soon, like this week. So what we did with Rebellion is we brought you the traditional mask, the costumes and everything. Revolt is the core concept, right? So we have an African section, we have a Native American section. So everything is based on revolution. So the costume that you're putting on has a backstory. We didn't just come with beads, feathers, and no storyline. There's a story behind the costume, a very powerful story behind the costume that you're wearing, and that's Rebellion. So then we have all the fancies. We have the artist that's going to be on the truck, the music, the drinks, everything. Then we have a second part of Rebellion called Mangle, which is actually Man Girl A.
Hey.
What that is,
Ivy?
that's the turn up part now. Now if you're not into the pretty mass but you're into turn up and party, there's a band, a live band that's on a 40-foot truck behind where everybody in t-shirts. So we're doing t-shirt sections. You could buy a t-shirt, color coded, come out with your whole crew, chip behind the truck, and at one point in time we're going to do a concert in the streets for everybody.
Wow. That sounds intense.
It's going to be intense. Trust me, it's going to be intense.
The revolt is real. Get
That's
ready
right.
for the rebellion.
All right.